If you've been finding it difficult to get a color combo for the next project you have in mind, keep on watching. I have a tip or two. Hey guys, this is Sean from beading.com, the #1 beading channel where we talk about beading, beads, and beaded projects. If you're new here, do not go away, consider subscribing. We're going to talk about how I get my best color combo for my next beaded project. The first one I have is based on how I'm feeling. I use this tip a lot. I tend to pick very bright colors. A lot of times if I feel sad and moody, I tend to go for dull colors. If you look at this color wheel, it shows two classes of colors, the warm and the cold colors. I pick red, orange, also yellow for my bead project, especially when I feel determined, enthusiastic, and so excited. These colors are very bright and they tend to dominate the entire and overall look of the piece that you are making. On the other hand, I pick cool colors like green if I want to express freshness, blue if I want to express confidence, and purple or violet when I want to express luxury. These classes of colors really helps you to pick the exact color you want to express based on how you feel. The second tip I have for you is color wheels. A lot of people don't really usually use color wheel. So you can access your own color wheel by printing out your own template, or better still, you get your watercolors and paint yourself a color wheel. So about the color wheel, it has 12 colors. Now this wheel, the first colors, which are the base colors, they are red, blue, and yellow. Now when you now mix the primary colors, you get the secondary colors, which are indicated there as orange, green, and purple. The remaining 6 colors that you can get when you mix the secondary colors together are the tertiary colors. And from this color wheel, you can get different color schemes. The first scheme is monochromatic color scheme, and that is when you are just using one color from the wheel. You can even decide to add a black to get a shade or a darker color, or add a white to get a brighter color. Now the next one that we have, they are the complementary colors. This one, as the name suggests, they are opposite each other on the color wheel. As you can see from the wheel I got from fullcirclepublications.com, and they give a very high contrast. Now the other scheme, they are the analogous colors. They are next to one another on the wheel, and they give more balanced effects when you use them. So you can create diverse color schemes from the color wheel. Now we are going to talk about color palettes. There are several color palettes that you can choose to make your bead project from. Here are the 2 I picked. I get lots of inspiration from color wheels, especially when I'm having creative block. I go for color wheels and get an idea of the next bead combo I'm going to use for my new project. The third one is Ankara clothing. In Nigeria, Ankara is a very trendy cloth. There are lots of patterns you can get and so many colors, so many pretty and beautiful colors. So here are Ankara fabrics, and I want to make a bead project of a fabric here. In this example, I will pick my bead colors from the fabric, the background color, which is very important, and accessories, other accessories that will match my bead project, and I complete my project. So once I buy, I get my colors off there and I'm ready for my new project. The fourth one is nail art. These days you see there are ingenious designs of nail art. I have some I pulled up from Instagram and they are so beautifully crafted. How I select colors from these nail art designs: first off is I pick the dominant color of the design, the other elements for my pattern to embellish my piece, my bead technique, and hook and clasps. So here is an example of nail art I picked the background color, the elements, the Swarovski stones, picked my technique, a simple technique, my hook and clasps, and other little beads to embellish it. And finally, I got my bead project. Here is my bead bracelet made in baby pink. I get inspiration from these color combos. They are so beautiful. Nail art designs out now. Fifth one is home decors combo. I shared this recently on my Instagram page. There's so many home decors you can pick inspiration from. Here is an example of two home decors that I picked their dominant colors to make my right angle weave bracelets. The major colors I picked here were ash, black, white and off-white, and I was able to get 3 bracelets from these color combinations. You can decide to pick just 2 or 3 colors from the entire look. The list of colors are endless as you pick colors of choice for your bead project. If you love them, if you are drawn to them, ones you can easily relate to, take the color, get inspiration from them and make your beaded project. Anyway, the 6th one, this should be your favorite color. People tend to go for their favorite color. You must have your own favorite color, so go ahead and get your favorite color. This double right angle weave bracelet made with orange and red combo, and my best color so far. The 7th one is of other bead designs. Here is a collection of some of the bead projects I have made so far, and from Ankara Fabrics I got the inspiration. These are other ones that I have compiled together to show you as a sample of what I'm talking about. Get inspiration from them and make your beaded project. The next one that is from word of mouth. Imagine a friend you trusted saw a judgment asking you, how about choosing this particular color combo and this fabric to make your next beaded project? You tend to listen and take that color combo to make your next project. These are the tips and tricks I use to get my color combo for a new project. So let me know the one you have tried, the one that you are currently working with, and the one that is new to you. How do you get your color combo for your new projects? Let me know below. Thank you so much for watching. Also, do not forget to subscribe. It really does help the channel a lot. Have fun. Choose.